All right, so today's video, we're going to go over this Eagle Hedge trimmer attachment series. This one is the HTA2020. Retails for about $249. You can get it online, either Amazon or Lowe's. Normally what I do is I order online. I use my Lowe's credit card, get 5% discount. Once ready, I either pick up at the store or I get it shipped to my home. It does retail for about $249, like I mentioned. It is a carbon fiber shaft. You do also have the aluminum version of it, so it's kind of like backwards compatible. It is 20 inches long, the blade. You have a 1-inch cutting capacity, and you have a 12-position articulating head. You have 5-year warranty on the unit and lifetime warranty on the carbon fiber shaft. Now you can use it with the PH1420. This one I just recently purchased and I reviewed. Absolutely awesome unit. You could also use it with the PH1420, which is the aluminum version, which is still a great unit. We're going to go over the pros, the cons of the actual Hedge trimmer, see how it performs, and if you have any questions or comments, you know what to do. Don't forget to like and follow, and check out some of our links. They do help us out. All right, so let's see what comes in the box. All right, so it comes with the manual and like a little flat screwdriver with an Allen type tool there. All right. All right, does feel a little heavy. So you do have a little, the carbon fiber shaft. Okay. Very nice. All right, so you do have the aluminum rail and the 1-inch stainless steel cutting diameter for the blades, so it's about 1 inch. All right, so then here you have your adjustable lever, so you can go and move it whichever way you want. Pretty cool. And you have 12 positions. Has a little sweet. All right. It's going to be a workout. All right, so let's check out the weight of the unit without the little cover. It's a operating weight of the actual unit by itself, and we got 4 pounds 15 ounces. 4 pounds 15 ounces. All right, so let's go ahead and put the tool together and go over some of the options. I am going to be using a 2.5 amp battery, just make the power head a little bit lighter. This is the PH1420, the carbon fiber with the adjustable handle. Very simple to install together. Put it in. Once it locks, okay, then you're going to go ahead and tighten it up. All right, so this is your high density foam grip. This is where your main grip is going to be, so you can have a better balance. If you are going to be cutting higher up and you want to switch to the handle, it's fine. This is also high density foam, and this one's adjustable. So, you open it up and you adjust it as far up as possible so you have better leverage. I would definitely recommend keeping your sleeve cover on here. That way you don't get cut, since it's in your general face area and hands. Then once you open it up, then go ahead and remove it. And let's go ahead and try that. Very simple. You have 12 positions. So once you go ahead and pick whatever angle you want, you lock it in. Then definitely you have this leverage here, because it is going to get a little bit top heavy. Since you open it up, and this is much better balance. You could also use your shoulder strap if you want to, especially if you're going to be cutting in this general area right here. And like I said, now that you're going to be cutting, remove your sleeve and then get to work. And here we go. As far as that goes, check out the blade. Very, very nice. Always remember to lubricate your blades before use and after you clean it. All right, so let's go ahead and do the second little tree here. Remove the blade protector and get to it. All right, I'm gonna go ahead, kind of handle it right here. Keep it at a nice, balance. So far, so good. Easy peasy, excellent machine. Let's go try different levels, different angles, see how it works. All right, same concept with these bushes. Angle it whichever option you want, and then go ahead and grab it here in the mid-size. You don't want to grab it here unless you're really deep into the bushes, which is a great option. But normally if you grab it here, you're not going to get as tired. So. All right, so let's go ahead and try this bougainvillea. Let's say it's kind of far away, so we're gonna grab the other handle. All right, so let's go ahead and angle it so we could cut the top. All right, there we go. All right, excellent. Actually, a little workout on the bicep, but you could actually switch arms. These units are pretty easy to do both sides, so not so bad. Usually what I have a hard time with is when it comes to the top, I'm on my tippy toes, or in the case, I will get on a ladder sometimes, or flip the actual trimmer upside down. But definitely fantastic. I really like it. Let's keep on trying different options. All right, so mission accomplished. No ladder, no tippy toes, at least for me. I mean, if you're super tall, you might be able to, do the handheld with this one. So really like it, feels good. So let's go to the main event. All right, so with the right angle, let's see if we could actually use it to cut these, smaller little bush right here. perfect. You could actually see them from far away, and have a nice, nice even cut. So one of the things I like about it, if you have deep bushes, this is perfect. You could go deep in. If you need to do a straight up like this, all right, not bad at all. All right, guys, so this is where, I have to use the ladder to get to the back. This is pretty thick bush, and it's up there, so it's a little uncomfortable to do it with the hand machine. So definitely, this is kind of like what I wanted it for. I got a big wall. This thing's pretty far out, all the way to the lake almost. So this is where I have a little bit of a hard time. So let's give it a try and see how it performs. We'll do the bottom end first, and then we'll do the top. Really, really nice. And if you can't get inside the bush, you could actually give it a little bit of an angle and then kind of like cut it from outside like this. Keep it flat. So there are many options with this setup. All right, so that's one way. So you could give it one rough cut, and then you could come back for a second pass and fine tune it. If you want to go a little further out, then grab the handle and go a little further out like this. Say if you're further away from the bushes. Still a little bit of workout, so you want to alternate your hands because it does get you tired. All right, guys, if you're a landscaper or you work around the house and you're always sweating like myself, this little fan here that goes on your belt, it's an absolute must. I bought it the other day and I wear it all the time now. I totally forgot about it. Just wanted to share with you. I'm going to do a review on it because it's just fantastic. This one is the bigger one. They have a smaller one. It is a little pricey, but it's absolutely worth it. Now, you do have different settings. You even have like a little USB to charge your phone on there. So you're gonna clip it on your belt, and then your shirt goes on the outside. You don't want to cover the bottom. That's where the cool air comes in. And this one's the bigger one. They have a smaller one. It's a little pricey. It's about 60 bucks, but the battery lasts like pretty much almost all day. I've used it like 2 days in a row for hours and no issues. Like I said, you could get the smaller one. I think it's like 40 bucks. I'll put some of the links below. I just wanted to share with you. It does make a big difference in the summertime. Like I said, I'm in South Florida, and I sweat a lot, so when I'm outside, I wear it, or when I'm working on the garage. An absolute must. And you could also put it on your neck, take it to Disney, especially like Disney and water parks that are hot. Excellent. It's a little noisy on the high end, but it's just super worth it. So that's on 10. And you can see, I don't know if you can see my two hairs moving. And you have settings all the way down to 1. It'll be nice and quiet. Actually my microphone's right here. So I'll put it on now, and you can see how my shirt kind of bubbles up. You see the shirt? So if you like kind of sweaty, it's even better because it makes the shirt go wider. All right, let's bring it all the way to 10. You can see the shirt. So right now it's on 10, and the shirt is, so it keeps away from your body You get a nice little fresh air going through your body. Fantastic, especially if you work outside. This thing is a must. My next little gadget is going to be the hat with the little solar panels, and it does come with a battery, 2 fans, get that cool air, running through you. But right now it's actually Thanksgiving, so it's not hot at all, but I'm still kind of sweating. So in the summertime here in Florida, it is an absolute must. It really gets muggy when you're working outside. So just to share with you guys, I hope you get one. You won't be disappointed. All right, so it looks like I was able to do the entire thing without using the ladder, which is my torment, especially in the locations that it's in. It's not perfect. I'm not an artist, but definitely a winner in my book. All right, guys, so if you have your Eagle attachment series, definitely recommend this trimmer attachment. Made my life a little bit easier. Don't have to use the ladder. And if you have, really tall hedges, you could actually probably put the extension on it, and then you really don't have to get on a ladder. So really like it. It is a little heavy, so you are going to get a workout. But for me, I'd rather use this than climb on a ladder. Definitely for me is a must. So if you have any questions or comments, you know what to do. Don't forget to like and follow. Check out some of our links. They do help out the channel. See you guys on the next review.